Straight from my kitchen to your viewing area. Today I'm going to demo the Alpha polisher, brushless polisher. Excited for this. Used this a couple of times on jobs and done some practice on this very slab here. Loving this machine so far. Can't wait to see how it lasts in the long term. One very impressive thing, it's a small thing, but I love it. This cord. Look at this cord. 25 feet long. Don't have to worry about accidentally unplugging extension cords. I've done that so many times. Just going along polishing, accidentally make a wrong step. There you go, your polisher is unplugged. This thing, not gonna have to worry about that near as much because you got it plugged in a wall up to 25 feet away. You don't have a extension cord sitting 3 feet away ready to be stepped on and unplugged. And this Alpha polisher, I can't get enough of this. It is so well balanced. I have used many times the industry standard. I think we all know what that is, and I think we all know the issues with it. It overheats. I do a lot of wet to dry polishing. I need to replace those machines as little as every 6 months. I got one high-end machine that has been outlasting those for sure, but it's just not that ergonomic. This machine, it is well balanced. It's got a weighted head, keeps the weight where you need it, nice and well balanced, and still smaller, more compact, and overall lighter weight than that quote-unquote industry standard. I think we have a new emerging industry standard with this Alpha polisher. This is great, and I am so happy I got it.